Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by confirming the basics. Your Apple Watch and iPhone are powered and within Bluetooth range, roughly 30 meters. Once done, make sure the phone's volume is up. The ping works even if the phone is set to silent, as long as sound is enabled. Now swipe up on your watch to open Control Center and tap the blue phone icon once. You'll hear your phone emit a loud ping. Listen carefully and follow the sound to recover it quickly. Once you hear the ping, you can press and hold the phone icon to also trigger the LED flash. This is useful in dim rooms. You'll want to tap briefly a few times to repeat the chime while moving toward the sound. Short, repeated pings help you narrow direction faster. If you're in a noisy environment, pause between pings and listen from different positions. Once the flash appears, use it to confirm location visually and avoid fumbling around furniture or cushions. After you've followed the ping and flash, pick up the phone and lock it to secure it. If the watch can't ping, check that Bluetooth is on and the devices are still connected in settings. Sometimes a quick toggle fixes it. If you're out of range or the phone is off, open Find My on the watch or use iCloud to locate the device on a map. If pings fail repeatedly, restart both devices, toggle Bluetooth, and try the ping sequence again. This usually resolves connection.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.